A continent that is often overlooked for its beauty, but as these five countries demonstrate, it offers a wealth of stunning landscapes, rich cultures, and unique natural wonders. From the deserts of the Sahara to the lush rainforests, the snow-capped peaks of the Atlas Mountains, and the vast savanna plains, Africa is a continent of diversity and beauty that should not be missed. Welcome back to the Travel Guide. Today we will be going over our top 5 picks for the most beautiful countries in Africa. Number 5. Egypt. Officially known as the Arab Republic of Egypt, is a country located in North Africa and the Middle East. It is bordered by the Mediterranean Sea to the north, the Red Sea to the east, Sudan to the south, and Libya to the west. It is known for its ancient history and monuments, including the Pyramids of Giza, the Sphinx, and the Valley of the Kings. Egypt is a land of contrasts with a diverse range of landscapes, from the lush Nile Delta to the deserts of the Western Desert and the Eastern Desert. The Nile River, which runs through the country, is the longest river in the world and has played a vital role in the country's history and development. Also known for its rich culture and history, with a variety of museums and temples, as well as a modern and bustling capital city, Cairo. Visitors can explore the ancient sites of the pharaohs, visit the bustling markets of Cairo, and take a cruise down the Nile. It's also worth mentioning that Egypt is home to some of the most iconic landmarks in the world, such as the Great Sphinx, the Great Pyramids of Giza, and the Valley of the Kings, which are considered some of the most magnificent architectural achievements in human history. Egypt is a beautiful country that offers a wealth of history, culture, and natural wonders. It's a destination that should not be missed for those who are interested in ancient history, culture, and natural beauty. Number 4. Kenya. Kenya is a country located in East Africa, known for its stunning natural beauty and diverse wildlife. Its geography encompasses savannas, lakelands, the Great Rift Valley, mountain highlands, and beaches along the Indian Ocean. It is bordered by Tanzania to the south, Uganda to the west, South Sudan to the northwest, Ethiopia to the north, and Somalia to the northeast. One of the most famous attractions in Kenya is the Masai Mara, a vast savanna plain that's home to the great migration of wildebeest and zebras. Every year, over 1.5 million wildebeest and zebras make the journey to find fresh grazing and water. It's a spectacular sight, and visitors can witness it from a hot air balloon or a 4x4 safari vehicle. Another natural wonder in Kenya is the Great Rift Valley, a geological wonder that stretches from Syria to Mozambique, passing through Kenya. The valley is home to several lakes, including Lake Nakuru, which is known for its thousands of pink flamingos. Also home to several national parks and reserves, such as Amboseli, Tsavo West, and Samburu, where visitors can see elephants, lions, giraffes, and many other species of African wildlife. Kenya also has a rich culture, with more than 40 different ethnic groups, each with its own traditions and customs. Visitors can learn about the customs and history of the Maasai and Samburu people, or visit one of the many cultural and historical sites, such as the Getty Ruins, a well-preserved Swahili town that dates back to the 12th century. Overall, Kenya is a beautiful country with a diverse range of landscapes, natural wonders, and rich cultures that make it a must-visit destination for nature and culture lovers alike. Number 3. Tanzania. Located in East Africa, known for its diverse landscapes and rich wildlife, the country is home to the Serengeti National Park, Ngorongoro Conservation Area, and the famous Mount Kilimanjaro, the highest mountain in Africa and the highest freestanding mountain in the world. One reason why Tanzania is considered so beautiful is its incredible wildlife. The country is home to the Great Migration, where over 1.5 million wildebeest, zebras, and gazelles migrate across the Serengeti and the Masai Mara in search of food and water. The Ngorongoro Conservation Area is also home to the largest unbroken caldera in the world, and it's a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Also known for its diverse landscapes, from the lush greenery of the Usambara and the Ulunguru Mountains to the rolling hills of the coffee-growing regions, to the vast plains of the Serengeti. The country is also home to more than 120 ethnic groups, each with its own unique culture and customs. Tanzania is a beautiful country with a diverse landscape, rich wildlife, and a fascinating culture. It's a great place for safari and adventure lovers, as well as those looking to immerse themselves into local culture and history. The country offers a great opportunity to explore the beauty of nature, enjoy the adventure, learn about local customs, and the history of the tribes and people. Number 2, Morocco. Located in North Africa, bordered by the Atlantic Ocean and the Mediterranean Sea, it's known for its rich culture, history, and unique mix of traditional and modern architecture. The country's geography is diverse, with the Atlas Mountains and the Rif Mountains in the north, the Sahara Desert in the southeast, and the coastal plain in the west. One of the most famous tourist destinations in Morocco is Marrakesh, a city known for its old city. The Medina, which is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The Medina is full of narrow, winding streets, colorful markets, and traditional architecture, including the Bahia Place, the Koutoubia Mosque, and the Saadian tombs. Another great place to visit in Morocco is the city of Fes, known for its well-preserved medieval architecture, and the Fes El Bali. The city is also home to the Bu Inanya Madrasa, the Darbatha Museum, and the Marinid tombs. The Atlas Mountains are also a must-see destination in Morocco. The range offers beautiful landscapes, Berber villages, and traditional ways of life, and it is a great place to go hiking and trekking. The Sahara Desert is another unique destination. Visitors can take a camel trek or a 4x4 excursion to explore the dunes and enjoy the beautiful sunsets. Morocco is a country that offers a unique blend of traditional and modern culture, history, and natural beauty. From the bustling cities to the Atlas Mountains to the Sahara Desert, Morocco is a destination that should not be missed for those looking for an authentic and diverse travel experience. And at number 1, South Africa. Located at the southern tip of the continent of Africa, it is known for its diverse landscapes, from the lush greenery of the Garden Route to the deserts of the Karoo and the rugged peaks of the Drakensberg Mountains. One of the most famous natural wonders in South Africa is Table Mountain, a flat-topped mountain located in Cape Town. The mountain offers spectacular views of the city, the ocean, and the surrounding mountains. Visitors can hike to the top or take a cable car for a panoramic view. Another must-see natural wonder is the Blythe River Canyon, the third largest canyon in the world, located in the province of Mpumalanga. South Africa is also known for its rich culture and history. The country is home to several UNESCO World Heritage Sites, including the Robben Island, where Nelson Mandela was imprisoned for 27 years, and the Isimangaliso Wetland Park, which is a home to a diverse range of flora and fauna. The country also boasts a vibrant art and music scene, with a rich tradition of jazz and traditional music. South Africa is a country that offers a wealth of natural beauty, wildlife, culture, and history. From the lush greenery of the Garden Route to the deserts of the Karoo and the rugged peaks of the Drakensberg Mountains, the country is a must-visit destination for nature and adventure lovers. These 5 countries are just a small sample of the many beautiful destinations that Africa has to offer. Each country has its own unique culture, history, and natural wonders that make it worth visiting. If you're looking for an adventure, a cultural experience, or simply a beautiful place to relax, Africa has it all. With that, we've reached the end of our video. To see a list of our favorite and most useful travel gadgets, check the link in the description. We hope you enjoyed our picks for the top 5 most beautiful countries in Africa.
If you've enjoyed our video, check out these other recent videos from the Travel Guide. And be sure to subscribe and ring the bell to be notified about our latest videos.